Hey everyone. So a user is asking why the test doesn't do what they think it should be doing. They provided a screenshot that has the website where you build your own machine. The user picks some, hard drive, RAM, and then clicks add to cart and wants to see this shopping cart that it has 4 items, just like they selected right here at add to cart input box. And for some reason, they're getting not a number. So let's see if we can help this user. I will create a new folder. Let's say test1. I'll initialize the new npm package, and I will install Cypress and Prettier so we don't have to format anything. I will copy Prettier settings, and I will run my Bakhmut of CLI init bear to scaffold a new Cypress project really quickly. Let's look. All right, so let's put the base URL right here, commerce site, and our spec, we can delete everything and just say it adds to the cart. And we'll start by visiting the base URL, open Cypress, end-to-end test, Electron browser is fine, and let's click on the spec. Okay, so we got this site and build your, what's the URL? Build your own computer. That's the page. Okay, so it's right here. I think our resolution is a little bit too low, so we can change it. Viewport width, let's go to, I don't know, 1800. Viewport height, let's go for 2500, so we can see the whole site right away. Perfect. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to change this number right here, the quantity. We can select by ID or aria-label. Why don't we use aria-label? We're gonna get aria-label and in quotes enter quantity. We're gonna clear it so it's not 1 and type 5. Let's see if that works. Okay, so now it's 5. And if we click add to cart, we have to select RAM. Okay, so how do we select RAM? We probably need, okay, this is a little bit too zoomed in, so the height probably should be 1800. Otherwise, we don't see anything really. Okay, so RAM, please select. Select name, product attribute. I'm gonna use the ID. So right here we can get the select with ID product attribute 2, select, and let's say value 3, for example. Okay, so we selected value 3. And for hard drive, we have input of type radio. Again, we can get input with ID, and let's say check, I believe. Let's see. Perfect. So now if we click to add cart, then everything is fine. Now, this is the problem right here. We have this shopping cart. Oh, not yet. Let me move it to the side so we can kind of see it. It's hard to see when we're so zoomed in. So right now it's a shopping cart 5. So we can find this element. Okay, so notice what it has, right? It has cart quantity in, I guess, parentheses, right? And the user tried to do the following: get the top cart by ID, which is this element right here. And notice that it includes the cart label and the cart quantity. So if we do this, what do we get? Let's just select it. Okay, so we get this top card, and we can say, okay, invoke text, and then just print it to console log, right? So we're getting the whole thing from the whole element. So we cannot just convert it to a number like this. So what I would do instead is a different approach. After I click on Add to Cart, I'll just ensure that shopping cart has the right number, right? So first let's click on the button. Okay, notice that it added, and now this shopping cart contains 5. So that's all we have to do. We'll use contains, the selector, shopping cart 5. And when we visit a page, it should have 0. Perfect. So at the start, 0 items in the cart, and after we add it, contains 5. That's it. That's the whole test.